Okay, so we're in the Airbnb and it's like really pretty, honestly. So there's like two ways that we could go down. Stairs and less stairs. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? I guess we're doing this one because I saw a spider web and I was like, nope, oh wait, never mind, there's spider webs everywhere. Oh gosh, oh no. Maybe we'll just go up. You got this. You got this. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, you got this. Okay, so gated backyard, which I really like. So the pups can't try and escape. Crunch, crunch, crunch. It's honestly really nice because there's a table, a grill, a little bit of snow. Let me see if I can do a paw print. Oh my gosh, it's so hard. I can like... It's slippery. Also, I'm doing a 3-minute short because apparently those are a thing now, I guess. Weird, I know. It's like, what? Oh yeah, you're so fast. It's just ice. Yeah, I wonder if I could like... It's so slippery. It's so pretty, oh my gosh! Are you ready to go inside? It's cold, isn't it? Okay, so we're going inside because it's cold. So, bye, thanks for watching.